Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore. So I left up my place at 4:30 in the morning because I don't want to get stuck in hot weather. So the plan is to cover most of the distance in early morning till 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, and after that I will be in Karnataka and the weather won't be that hot. So the first 30 to 40 kilometers took me almost 1 hour to cover because the road condition was not that good, and I had to slow down because it was through the city of Hyderabad. But now I have touched the highway and I can cruise for like 80 to 90 and easily cover most of the distance. So I'm planning to take my first break at Anandpur Cafe Coffee Day, which is like 316 kilometers from Hyderabad, and it is like same place where I stopped earlier while coming from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Hey guys, check out the sunrise, so beautiful. I'll click some pictures and then carry on to my journey. So I just clicked some pictures of the sunrise, and guys, let me know in the comment section if you really like those photos or not.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine.
So guys, ये vlog मैंने काफ़ी छोटा बनाया because I just wanted to show you guys only few amazing views which I saw on my Hyderabad to Bangalore route. And in the end, guys, I would say if you really like this video, then don't forget to give this video a like. And if you are new to the channel, then please do subscribe. And as always, guys, thanks for joining me today. See you next time.
I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.